Today we are here in Lawrenceville at Campbell Manor, and I am with Claire from Smith Douglas Homes. And Claire, we are standing in this gorgeous new model in this new neighborhood, and I understand that it's been selling really well right out the gate. So what do you think is so appealing about Campbell Manor?
I think for starters, it's the location. We are right here on the east side of Lawrenceville, right off of Sugarloaf Parkway. So we are so close to the downtown Lawrenceville location, close to eateries and festivals and so much more that Lawrenceville has to offer.
Well, Claire, I understand that this floor plan actually won the People's Choice Award in the Parade of Homes for 2020. So tell me a little bit more about the floor plans here at Campbell Manor, and then also the types of homes, the variety of homes that you can find here.
Well, here at Campbell Manor, we have a mixture of two-story homes, also ranch floor plans, offering a lot of open concept living and a lot of those modern conveniences that people look for in a home these days. The Buffington floor plan is very open concept, and you may have noticed that when you walked in. We have a dining room kind of flex space as soon as you walk in there, which could be used for dining room, home office, many things like that. The floor plan's about 2,500 square feet, so very accommodating. You'll definitely want to check out the owner's suite, very spacious, and that was the room that won the People's Choice Award for the best owner's suite.
Well, Claire, Campbell Manor sounds like a great neighborhood that I'm sure a lot of people out there are going to want to learn more. So what is the best way to do that?
The best way is to visit our website at smithdouglas.com. They can also call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. And like we said, this neighborhood is selling fast. So come and check out Campbell Manor by Smith Douglas Homes, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.